folks. In the abrasive world, a lot of people like to buy stuff at Harbor Freight. In my world, I like to buy Harbor Freight stuff. I like to buy stuff at the local hardware store. And I like to buy, lately I've been like to buy stuff on Amazon. But you got to read through 4,000 freaking comments to figure out who hates the stuff, who doesn't. Lately, I went to Harbor Freight, picked up one of these. It's 4-inch stainless steel stringer bead twisted knot wire wheel. I want to try this out. I have no idea how it works. I picked up 2 of these things. They're about, what, $7. I learned on Amazon you can buy 3 times the amount of stuff like this for roughly same price. You can buy, I think, an 18 pack for like 12 bucks or something. This is a 6-piece wire wheel and cut brush set. Why do I need them? Well, first of all, if you're going to buy any abrasives, you need to buy like 4 times the amount you need. Because when you're working on your piece of machinery at 12 o'clock at night on a Saturday, and nothing's open, and Amazon doesn't mysteriously deliver by robots yet, you're going to need extra. Other than that, hard way. I always buy extra, because 2 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday night, when you're like steaming into a project and you run out of stuff, puts a real quick end to your project. And you're like, damn, I can't want this, I don't want that, and it's just a real pisser. So I always buy extra. I only bought 2 of these because I wasn't rich. I bought these because I need them right away. I ordered the rest on Amazon. Am I going to open it? No. What do I think of it? First, how's their eyewear? Because this is instant porcupine quills. It's a good way to do home acupuncture in your garage. Good way to use an eyeball. And are they any good? I don't know. They're probably made at the same factory in China. All the rest on Amazon are made in. I know I've had some pretty good luck with some other brands. Like this is a local brand here, which is made in China. Let me guess. This one's made in China. So do we really think there's any difference? In fact, let me look. Does it look made any? Meh. This one, the little thing goes into a drill. These are made for drills with a chuck, so probably the same quality. They don't seem to. I always wonder though, how come they don't solder these all in? So they kind of like just are embedded. Like, couldn't you just put solder in there? I want to try it, see if it works. Then the wires break off, and if you don't mash them down, they usually work pretty good. You'll go over lightly, take your time. They can last pretty much a while. But at the price, even if you're not rich, you can afford a few of these things. This name brand one's like $3. This is I think $6.99, $3. So if you buy 2 of these for $3, $6, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times the amount for roughly 2 the price of these. I've used many of these, had many of them stuck in my arms, and they all suck. Every one of them. Let's be honest. It's a disposable tool. You use them, and basically you use them down to the nubs because they're to remove material. I also, don't get me wrong, I like the little, what are they, roll-lock discs. They do some pretty good damage too on it, stuff to get rid of grid. Those get in tight spaces, and like I said in the previous video, the sandblaster will take out whatever. So if you got large areas, I go over it with a wire wheel. It takes off most of the larger areas, and then fan it out with a smaller one and sandblast what I can't get. That's just what I picked up. This, basically the angle grinder is the speedy tip to do the large areas. This is the large areas. These are the tiny areas that this won't get. And the little nooks and crannies that you can't get into with this, you media blast it. So it's all good. It's all good. This, I don't know, like braided stainless steel. Is the quality of Harbor Freight stainless steel any good, or is it like stainless steel plated? I don't know. Would they actually stainless steel plate wire? I don't know. For use with grinders. Oh, this one's for use with drills. The other thing you can do, I seen people do, is they put them in the drill press, They put on there and use it on a drill press. I would probably say using this in a drill press is in a lot of applications, it's easier. I have my woodworking drill press or whatever is about 100 years old, and I put one in there, and it's easy. It's good for doing bolts. It gets bulky when using a 4-inch, not a 4-inch angle grinder. When you're trying to use a drill, trying to hold it, other option is you put the drill in a vise. I also have my Baldor, baby Baldor, came with a wire brush. That works pretty good, but sometimes you can't fit the parts. So, and also, I put these in my pneumatic angle grinder, which, see, this is a lot easier because you can hold it and just sit there and you can get a grip on this where your thumb, just hold it, and you can just, or you can hold it like this if you want, and this way. That's the thing with angle grinders, pneumatic stuff. People are like, ah, well, you know, I got a lot of electric stuff. Well, you know what? Let me show you. The best part about a pneumatic angle grinder is this goes in tight spaces. Do the math. See the difference? One's a little smaller. So every tool has its good and bad, upside down, whatever. I own a lot of angle grinders, mostly because I do a lot of bigger things, but pneumatic tools, I think, last longer too. When you don't abuse them, you oil them every day. Don't forget, come in your shop and oil them every single day. It always says oil every day on them. Oil them every time you use them. So anyway, without further ado, I'm hanging up the video on you. I'm going back to home. I'm going to sleep. Maybe watch some TV on my phone and get like more like Chinese, I don't know, whatever native, whatever culture from all like this. A lot of native people. My wife has a, what do you call it? Squid tea. Like even my kids, I swear. We used to call my my daughter, we're like, hey, look, we finally got our own Asian baby, because I live in a reserve, so if you know, you know. But so yeah. You can get, what do you call it, cataracts in your eyes, like this all night, freaking watching videos. I got a headache. Anyway, I'll shut the hell up now, and I'll hit the off button. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me how you like all of my videos. Leave some comments. Helps with the algorithm.